Autumn's on its way.
Yes! Awesome! We're going to Africa!
Yeah. This is your chance to be part of a real flock.
I'm not a migrator, you know that.
This guy is the only one who knows the new route.
The new route?
I don't know the way.
It's crazy. We are listening to a bug.
It's going to be a wonderful trip, just like every year.
Why are all the other flocks going in the opposite direction?
That's weird. Hey, guys, you wouldn't happen to know which way it is to Africa? We are being led by a moron.
This is a pretty big voyage when you think about all the dangers out there.
What is that?
I'm totally useless. I've been leading a whole family in the wrong direction.
He's an imposter.
You've got just as much instinct as any other bird. Just keep going.
You got me into this mess, you get me out.
Keep calm.
Yes, right, okay. Everyone remain calm and do not panic!
I saw right away that you were something special.
Fall in line, campers, and we've got an Africa to get to. If we try this plan, we have a chance to survive. Maybe.